Are you ready to make your home shine as the leaves turn golden and the crisp air settles in? As the first day of fall approaches, it's the perfect time to embrace the cozy vibes of the season. Imagine a home filled with warm hues and inviting textures, transforming your space into a fall haven. Whether you're a fan of rustic farmhouse decor or prefer a more traditional style, we've got plenty of inspiring ideas to make your home feel like the ultimate fall getaway. And if you're decorating on a budget, don't worry. We'll show you how to create a stunning look without breaking the bank. Plus, stick around till the end for some exclusive DIY fall decor ideas that will not only save you money, but also add a personal touch to your fall setup. Ready to dive into the world of fall decor? Let's get started. Setting the mood for fall. Fall is all about creating warmth and comfort in your home. Start by embracing a cozy color palette. Think rich oranges, deep reds, warm yellows, and earthy browns. These colors instantly make a space feel inviting and perfect for the season. Don't forget to bring nature indoors. Dried leaves, pine cones, and pumpkins are easy additions that evoke the beauty of autumn. Consider layering soft textures, like chunky knit blankets or faux fur throws, to enhance that cozy atmosphere. The goal here is to make every room feel like a warm, welcoming retreat as the weather cools down. Decorating key spaces. Let's talk about bringing fall into the most important areas of your home. Start with the living room, the heart of cozy fall decor. Add some throw blankets in warm hues and a few fall-themed pillows to your couch. Candles and scents like pumpkin spice or cinnamon can instantly set a fall mood. Next, move to the dining area. A simple fall-inspired centerpiece, like a bowl of pumpkins or a vase of dried flowers, can transform your table. Add a textured table runner and fall-themed dinnerware to complete the look. Finally, don't forget your front porch. Greet your guests with a welcoming display of pumpkins, lanterns, and a fall wreath. These touches create a festive entrance that celebrates the season from the moment you walk in the door. Budget-friendly fall decor ideas. Decorating for fall doesn't have to be expensive. You can create a cozy autumn vibe on a budget with a few smart tricks. Start with DIY projects. Something as simple as making your own fall wreath using materials like dried leaves, pine cones, and twine can add a personal touch to your decor. Painted pumpkins are another easy DIY idea that adds color without the cost. Repurposing is key too. Look around your home for items that can be transformed with a little creativity, like old vases that can be painted in fall colors or mason jars turned into candle holders. If you're looking to buy, consider budget-friendly stores or even dollar stores. With a bit of creativity, you can find affordable fall decor that looks high-end. And remember, a little can go a long way when it comes to creating that cozy fall atmosphere. Rustic and farmhouse fall decor. For those who love a more rustic farmhouse look, fall is the perfect season to embrace this cozy, down-to-earth style. Start by incorporating wooden accents like distressed wood signs with fall-themed quotes or messages. These rustic pieces instantly bring warmth and charm to any room. Farmhouse decor is all about layering textures, so mix plaid throws and pillows with natural elements like burlap or twine. Galvanized metal accents, like buckets filled with fall foliage or rustic lanterns, add that perfect farmhouse touch. Combining these elements creates a welcoming, homey feel that embodies the spirit of fall. Modern fall decor trends. If you prefer a more modern look, fall decor doesn't have to be all about tradition. You can create a sleek, contemporary vibe by focusing on minimalist design. Start by using neutral tones like soft whites, grays, and even black, paired with subtle autumnal accents. Think of a simple vase filled with white pumpkins or a sleek tray with a few fall-scented candles. Mixing traditional and modern elements is a great way to keep your decor fresh. Combine clean lines with natural materials, like wooden bowls or metal vases, to add warmth without clutter. You can also introduce metallic accents in gold or copper for a touch of sophistication. This modern approach to fall decor keeps your space looking chic while still embracing the season's cozy essence. Fall decor for specific events. For fall festivals and gatherings, create a warm, inviting atmosphere with simple yet impactful decor. Set up cozy outdoor spaces with string lights and comfy seating for your guests. Use fall-themed table settings with centerpieces like small pumpkins or autumn leaves to enhance your event. Transitioning your decor from early to late fall is easy with a few tweaks. Swap out bright orange items for deeper, richer tones as the season progresses. These small changes keep your decor fresh and festive for any fall occasion. Final touches and personalization. To truly make your fall decor your own, add personal touches that reflect your style. Incorporate family photos in autumn-themed frames or add handmade crafts that showcase your creativity. Small details, like fall-scented candles or essential oil diffusers with autumn fragrances, can make a big difference in setting the mood. Personalizing your decor not only makes it unique, but also creates a more inviting and comfortable space. Embrace these final touches to enhance the cozy, autumnal atmosphere and make your home feel like a true fall haven. I hope these fall decor ideas inspire you to create a cozy, stylish autumn retreat in your home. Which tip was your favorite? Share your thoughts and your own fall decorating ideas, or have any suggestion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more seasonal tips and home decor inspiration. Stay tuned for more videos that will help you transform your space throughout the year. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating.